Simple hair mask to stop hair fall and boost hair growth. Long, beautiful and silky hair is a crown of glory for every girl. It defines how you look and boosts your self-confidence. But hair fall and thinning of hair are common issues today. The modern lifestyle, exposure to pollution, and use of chemical products deteriorates hair quality and leads to hair fall. Age, health, diet, hormones, seasonal changes, trauma, stress and anxiety, all these factors can cause hair fall and eventually lead to balding. Inadequate rest, hormonal changes, and a diet deficient in nutrients can hamper the growth of healthy hair. These factors can also affect hair growth as they reduce the supply of blood and oxygen to your scalp. So, in this video, we will show you a very simple hair mask which will help you to stop hair loss, prevent dandruff and promote healthy scalp, promote faster hair growth, greatly reduce split ends and hair breakage. To make this mask, you will need fenugreek seeds and yogurt. Fenugreek seeds are very effective in making the hair strong from their roots and dealing with the follicular problems. These seeds fight irritation on the scalp and dandruff, which are two main reasons for hair loss. Fenugreek seeds not only kill the bacteria and fungi present on the scalp, but strengthen the hair follicle and promote hair growth. Using yogurt on your hair can help reduce hair fall and hair loss. It is rich in vitamins and fatty acids that are essential for hair health. It's a rich source of probiotics which can enable robust hair growth and prevent damage to hair. It also conditions, moisturizes, and adds volume and shine to your hair. Take a handful of fenugreek seeds and soak them in water overnight. Make a paste by grinding the soaked seed, then add this fenugreek paste to the yogurt and mix well. Now apply it to your scalp and hair using your fingers or brush as a hair mask and leave it on for 30 to 45 minutes. Now wash off with water. Remember, you can do it once in a week for better result. If you are a vegan or don't like putting yogurt on your hair, you can replace it with coconut milk. It offers similar hair benefits as yogurt. The good thing about this hair mask is that it works for all types, whether your hair is dry or oily, fine or coarse, frizzy or damaged. Everyone can use it. Use this hair mask and write us in the comment section below. If you like our videos, please hit the like button and share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe our channel so you never miss any of our upcoming informative videos like this. See you in the next video. Live healthy and strong.